Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. This Eclipse Cross is featured in a silver paint finish and is the SE trim. Under the hood we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine paired to an 8-speed CVT transmission, as well as our super all-wheel control all-wheel drive. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome finish door handle, power mirror control behind. Below we have power locks, our power windows and rear window lock, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle we have traction to the left of the steering wheel, driver information system as well. You can see this driver's seat here finished in our black cloth. Getting into the vehicle, turn the ignition on, we have push to start, so foot on the brake and push the ignition. In the middle, we can see our display cluster. As mentioned before, we have an information system with our controls just on the left-hand side. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have all of our hands-free settings with voice recognition, as well as our call, answer, and hang-up, as well as a paddle shifter in the back. Right-hand side, we have our cruise, as well as our other paddle shifter. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. Can see we have a touchscreen system so we can access our apps. We also have a phone, Sirius XM, FM, Bluetooth audio. Swiping to the right, AM, iPod, USB settings, as well as day-night. We also can turn our screen off, a vehicle info system, clock, vehicle settings, location, as well as a tutorial system. Home button on the left, as well as an audio hotkey. Volume on the right with our power. 2 vents in the center. We have our hazard lights below that. Dual zone climate control with temperature on either side. AC as well as sync and front and rear defrost. Below we have our heated seats, eco mode as well as power, 2 USBs and a 12 volt with some storage below it. Have our super all-wheel controls for our infotainment if we don't want to use the touchscreen. Also have some hotkeys here with our home, back, apps, and audio. 2 cup holders, our park brake, as well as our auto hold. You can also see our key here. On our keys, locks and unlocks, and our alarm system. Into the center console, lever on the front. Deep storage in the bottom, as well as some shallow storage in the back. Passenger seat is also finished in our black cloth. Then lastly, above the rear view mirror, dome lights for the individual lights in the front, as well as for the whole vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have an alloy rim with our Mitsubishi center cap. Moving out, we have our paint match mirrors, as well as paint match door handles. All the way around at the back of the vehicle, we have our Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross and super all-wheel control badging. Opening up the rear of the vehicle, we have our handle underneath. In the back of the vehicle, we have a privacy cover, 60/40 folding rear seats, some storage on either side, as well as a full-size 5th tire underneath. You can close the handle on the right-hand side. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome door handle. We have a lock and unlock on the top. Power window control, as well as some storage and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pocket in the back of the passenger seat. A 12 volt plug in the bottom of our center console. Moving to the seats in the second row, we have a 60/40 folding bench finished in our black cloth. In the center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. Lastly, we can fold these seats by lifting up on our handles down the side to make some additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2020 Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Cadillac soon.